What's up, guys? This is my main man, Jaxson. He's pretty handsome. And this is, we're gonna do a crab boil. Say what's up, Jax.
What's up?
Don't be nervous.
Hey.
Don't bump that chair. Okay.
We're gonna do something really dangerous, right?
Mm-hmm. Danger's our middle name.
Yeah.
Don't bump that. Go get the wine.
It's not my dangerous name because my name is Jaxson Gunner Martinez.
Holla!
Hey.
All right. First, we're gonna add
Some crawfish.
no, our seasoning.
Seasoning, which is
Don't bump the chair.
Season it comes from crawfish, right?
Mm-hmm. It's for crawfish.
And it's a kind of salt.
It's gonna make it yummy.
Yeah.
Stand by Daddy.
Jaxson, you want to add this one to it? It's the liquid seasoning.
Do I do all of it?
Yep, throw all of it in there. Be careful. Hurry up.
So this comes from crawfish too. And I don't know if you like this, but this is gonna be
Don't touch that chair.
super dangerous. You're gonna die.
Get back. No. Get back.
So, wait, let me see.
Yep, go tell them when we're ready.
So we're adding this. So crab in. Here's the fish we're cooking in yeah, so crab in. Here's the crawfish, which is, what it is, shrimp, yeah. It's kind of cool. And, can I put some in? Can I squeeze some?
Yeah, go squeeze that over it. Don't touch it. Just squeeze it over.
This is, you gotta see.
Squeeze it like this, so the juice gets in there.
Gotcha.
Then throw it in there.
I can't. No.
Here, try an orange. It's easier. Squeeze it. Use those muscles. Don't stand so close to that. Hot. There you go. Good job. Throw it in there. Go stand by your mother.
So, we put some stuff in. And these are oranges.
Oh, go get your stir stick, buddy.
Oh yeah. No, oh yeah, and I get to have. I got a big stick, guys. Here it is. It's big, huh?
Don't.
Okay. So here it is. Really big. That's why we ordered. We ordered it. If you want it. And I don't go orange actually.
Do one more. Careful. There you go. Good job. Uh-oh. Stir sticks down. All right, get.
Now, this is kind of dangerous. You would almost bump your body in the head. So that's why we're putting it right. Pretty much.
Garlic and onion.
Garlic and onion.
Mm-hmm.
Watch.
Hand me the stir stick, pal.
So I want to.
You can. I'll stir first. You stir second.
Okay.
Gonna make sure we get it all going here.
This is fun, guys.
Our
Daddy
first
does-
crab boil.
Yeah, and Daddy doesn't even know what he's doing.
True that.
Yeah, he does it untrue because no one knows. He's gonna summon it.
I think we might need to add a little more water.
I'll
Go
get.
turn the hose on.
What do I have to go in the
Hurry up.
I wanna add the water.
All right, hit pause. Or I'll hit pause. Go turn the water on. Hi guys, we're back and Jaxson's in the house. Say hi, Jaxson. Don't touch the chair. There you go. Say hi. Now it's time to add our meat. Got a pretty good boil. I'm gonna let Jackson add the crab legs. Here come the crawfish. You like these, don't you, huh? Oh yeah. I'll leave that one for Sam.
Which one?
No, the one's on the ground.
No.
This is it. No, that's
Then we're gonna add a couple pounds of shrimp.
This is it. Connecting.
Oh.
Get back. Get back.
And then my Jackie boy is gonna add our favorite crab legs.
It's Daddy likes a lot.
All right, put them in there, buddy.
Because he's a crab.
Oh shit! I'll eat
Mark.
that.
Your language?
Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Put them in there, buddy. All right. Put these in there. Don't throw them. Just place them in there, honey. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just put them in there. Good job. Put them in there.
And we do this after home, guys.
Yeah. Don't do this without parental supervision, right?
Yeah.
All right, put that one in there,
Or
buddy.
else you'll die.
Pick that one back up. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay. Put it in there. All right, we're gonna let this boil for 3 minutes. Shut the burner off. Let it sit for about 45. And we're gonna do it. Say bye, Jax.
Bye.
Say love ya.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye.